Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in WWE 2K26 game. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on WWE 2K26 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on WWE 2K26 game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first. And then just restart the game because changing requires the restart of the game. And after you restart the game, check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again right click on WWE 2K26 game and then select properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard and see if that helps or not. Solution 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other software on a PC like third-party game controllers or any plugged peripherals such as phone, camera, USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then launch the game and check if it fixes the problem or not. Solution 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, then check if it is paired correctly. And if you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Solution 5 is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on WWE 2K26 game and then select properties. Go to the installed files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Solution 6 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solution. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. Solution 7 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So simply close the Steam. Also close Steam from task manager and then just restart Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in WWE 2K26 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.